handhold MSMEs in any way, not only in financial matters, taxation matters, auditing matters, but also to how to ensure that the MSME gets more profit and reaches its targets, maybe marketing, research and analysis, improving the productivity, profitability, and also other opportunities of expanding their activities and their successful commercial business. With this background, we have initiated this meeting with the idea to handhold the MSMEs. Expressing his opinion, I already brought to the notice of Satish ji about the many of the problems. Even Mukesh ji also working on the same platform, that many of the MSMEs facing the problem with regarding NPA norms of 90 days, SARFAESI proceedings immediately after completion of 90 days, means attaching the properties, initiating stringent recovery proceedings, making the entrepreneur psychologically under stress, physically, mentally, financially also, socially also is under stress, and that is discouraging entrepreneurs. Though the loans are fully secured, the banks are taking initiative steps to stringent recovery proceedings, that is causing a lot of damage to entrepreneurs, psychologically also. Next, actually the Reserve Bank advised all the banks to handhold the MSME entrepreneurs, but they are not doing anything. They are doing only one thing, that yes, this is the time, 90 days is expiring, you have to face the consequences. In that, under such circumstances, since the Reserve Bank advice is not being followed, we expect that the Reserve Bank take initiative to direct the banks to handhold the MSME units. As well as I stated earlier, our institute also came forward to handhold MSME units to come out of financial stress or any other issues with regulators, labor department, industries, or any other institutions. And another one is, major issue was the central government, state governments declared many incentives to entrepreneurs, maybe capital subsidy, tax benefits, or interest subsidy. All these were not given by the, of course, central government has whatever issued they have granted, they given. But the state governments they are not postponing, they are not giving any incentives on time to the entrepreneur. That is also discouraging and also disturbing the financial plan of entrepreneurs. Next, another important issue was receivables. Many of the MSMEs sell their products to government undertakings or public sector undertakings or large corporates. They are postponing the payments. After the request of so many MSME units, organizations, the central government has given instructions to all companies that they should ensure that they pay the amounts payable to MSMEs within 45 days of the accepting the goods. So that is giving good results, but that is only 1 year over, but that gives long due spending. The private companies or private organizations, they are postponing the payment, that is causing a lot of working capital shortage to MSME units. Recently, the central government has granted emergency credit guarantee scheme that they issued nearly 3 lakh crores to MSME. Even until now, even after 1 year, the banks could not disburse the amount granted by the central government. The reason what they say is they are hesitating to extend the loan sanctioned or guaranteed by the central government. We don't know the reason and how it is happening, and the bankers are saying entrepreneur is not cooperating, but the entrepreneur is saying banks are not cooperating. This is the gap. In this, under such circumstances, we request that the MSME department itself or some other regulator accept invitations or suggestions from the entrepreneurs, what they expect from the government, what financial support or marketing support, or what support they expect from the entrepreneurs, and direct to the bankers or regulators who can provide the support to the entrepreneurs. Recently also, the central government has granted 27 crores to finance non-performing assets. That is also not yet disbursed by the banks or financial institutions. The main reason, since 12 years we are working for MSME, main reason for MSME issues are banks finance non-performing assets. Thus causing a lot of problem. Whatever we came to, whatever entrepreneurs came to our knowledge, therefore many of them are only from banks only. That problem is solved. I think 75% of the MSME problems will be solved. Of course, the loans are fully secured. There is no risk to the bankers. If they grant some more time, there is no loss to the bankers also. They are not asking additional funds. They are asking only additional time. That is denied by the banks. And one more thing, sir. Recently, the government has included retail and wholesale also in the MSME. How it is going to help? I think we are unable to understand how this helps to manufacture MSME, because MSME is to entirely manufacturing sector. Retail and wholesale, that is different, that can purchase and sell within a short span of time. Whereas the manufacturing sector needs some more time, and sometimes it may be 6 months, 1 year also if it is export, if it is a case of exports. For that reason, the NPA norms may be relaxed for MSME units, and as well as our main motto is to make in India, encourage new industrial units, save existing industrial units. Don't discourage, encourage the existing manufacturing units to survive, perform, become profitable, and continue to give employment and economic development for the nation.